body is tired, not because you're weak, but because you've been living a life that no longer fits you. You wake up sore, mentally drained, emotionally numb, and everyone tells you the same lie. Push harder. Be grateful. Work more. But what if your exhaustion is not a problem? What if it's a signal? What if your body is breaking? Because your life needs to change. You used your body to survive. Your hands, your back, your time, construction, factories, gyms, shifts, commutes. You traded hours for money. And money was never enough. Your body aged faster than your dreams. Your mind was always tired before the day even started. And deep down, you knew. This wasn't life. This was maintenance. This was survival mode. Burnout doesn't start in the mind. It starts in the body. Pain becomes normal. Fatigue becomes routine. And one day, motivation disappears. That's when most people quit. Or worse, they stay. At some point, something snaps. Not loudly, quietly. A moment where you realize, I can't do this for the next 10, 20, 30 years. Not because you're lazy, but because you're awake. Your body gave you the message your mind ignored for years. And here's the truth. No one tells you. Physical careers have an expiration date. Digital skills don't. The digital world doesn't care how strong your arms are. It cares how clear your thinking is. Online, you don't sell effort. You sell attention, ideas, solutions. Your experience matters. Your story matters. Your scars matter. People don't trust perfect people. They trust rebuilt ones. The digital world rewards leverage, not exhaustion. One video can work while you sleep. One skill can scale beyond your body. This is not about escaping work. It's about escaping wear and tear. From physical depletion to mental creation. This is not easy. This is not fast. This is not guaranteed. But neither was destroying your body for a paycheck. Learning digital skills hurts your ego, not your spine. Failure online costs pride, not health. And for the first time, your effort compounds. Your body breaking is not the end. It's the transition. The world is changing. And so are you. You don't need to disappear. You need to rebuild. From physical survival to digital freedom. And this time, your body gets to rest. And this time, your body gets to rest. But your mind finally wakes up. For the first time, you are not running on painkillers, caffeine, and survival instincts. You are running on intention. You stop asking, how much can I endure? And you start asking, what can I build? That question changes everything. You realize something dangerous. Your value was never in how much you could suffer. It was in how much you could learn, adapt, and communicate. The system trained you to believe that rest is weakness, that slowing down means falling behind. But in the digital world, clarity beats speed, consistency beats force, and patience beats burnout. This is where most people quit again. Not because it's hard, but because it's quiet. No boss yelling, no clock punching, no immediate validation. Just you, your thoughts, and a blank screen. And that silence is terrifying. Because now, you can't blame the job. You can't blame the system. You can't blame your body anymore. Now, it's on you. And here's the paradox. The digital path looks soft from the outside, but it requires something physical work never asked from you. Self-leadership. You must decide when to work, what to learn, what to ignore, who to become. No one is coming to save you, but no one is stopping you either. That freedom feels heavy at first, but then it becomes empowering. You start small. You learn one skill. You publish one piece of content. You fail quietly. You adjust. No applause. no recognition. Yet something shifts. You are no longer trading your body for money. You are trading time and focus for leverage. Your energy starts coming back. Your posture changes. Your thoughts slow down. And suddenly, your body is no longer screaming. It's listening. This is the rebuild phase, not the highlight reel, not the success story yet. This is the invisible season, where discipline replaces motivation, where identity replaces desperation. You are no longer the exhausted worker. You are the beginner again. And beginners are dangerous because they have nothing to lose and everything to learn. One day you look back, not with regret, but with respect. You didn't quit. You evolved. You didn't escape work. You chose a different battlefield, one where your mind grows, your body heals, and your future compounds. So if your body forced you to stop, listen. It wasn't betrayal. It was protection. It wasn't the end of your usefulness. It was the end of an old version of you, and the beginning of something lighter, smarter, sustainable. And this time, you're not just surviving, you're rebuilding with intention. Welcome to Rebuild After Burnout.